Well, here at home, President Bongbong Marcos has announced a bigger oil price rollback set for Tuesday, April 21st. Marcos said diesel prices may drop by as much as 24 pesos and 94 centavos per liter, while gasoline could go down by 3 pesos and 41 centavos and kerosene by 2 pesos per liter. The president also directed oil companies to implement the price cuts in full and without delay. This marks the second straight week of rollbacks following successive price hikes linked to the Middle East conflict. Marcos added relief is coming for Filipinos as the government continues measures to ease the impact of high fuel costs.
At malinaw ang ibig sabihin nito para sa ating lahat. May ginhawang parating. At sa ating mga oil company, malinaw naman ang aking panawagan. Ipatupad ninyo ang rollback ng buo, tama at walang pagkaantala. Ibigay ninyo sa taong bayan ang dapat naman na nasa kanila.